So on this piece of property, the backhoe just dug a bunch of holes in the ground, and it's going to dig more over there. But these are called trenches for footings, and that's the lowest part of any house or building. And before they start digging, they mark the ground where they're supposed to dig. That's all the paint marks there. And how do they know where to dig? Well, that was already planned out by the building blueprints. And so they marked the land where they're supposed to dig the footings. So they have marked the property where to dig. Looks like this. Looks like they're going to have some columns or piers there. And they dig holes where there's going to be a vertical column supporting a load. And they're going to pour a long footing there in a trench. And how deep or how big are they supposed to dig the footings? Well, that's according to where you live and the type of soil. And the depth is dependent typically on the frost line. So if you're in a warm climate like Florida, well, you've got a lot of sand, a lot of water, and no frost. But if you live in New York or Pennsylvania, you have to dig the footing really deep so that it doesn't freeze on you. What you don't want in a home foundation is the footing to go up and down because of the different types of soil and the frost line. So what you want to do is dig down deep enough so that you have a strong, firm foundation on good soil that's solid.